कंधे पे बोझ जो बंदा ये फंदा बंदे का सोच हो अंधा शर्मिंदा गंदे को पोछ हो धंधा है गंदा कंधे पे बोझ जो बंदा ये फंदा वेलकम टू द जंगल yeah.
Are you guys having a good time so far? You having fun, guys? Yeah. What's your name, brother? Mohammed. And what's your name? Hussein. The fuck is this? The Muslim row or sleeper cell बैठा के रखे हो तुम लोग ने इधर? What is your name, brother? Oh, how does it feel? How does it feel to be in the Muslim sandwich? I can promise you there's no pork in this sandwich, but other than that, you'll enjoy it. It's very good to be back home, ladies and gentlemen. It's very good to be back home. I left for Dubai about a year ago. And the reason I left was because the CAA bullshit was hitting the fan. I was getting damn scared, dude. So I went to Dubai because the other option's Pakistan, bro. Fuck that. I'm not going to Pakistan. Before I went to Dubai, I actually set up a meeting with Amit Shah in his office. 2 घंटे का लाइन था जैसा एप्पल आईफोन खरीदते ना लंबा लाइन लगता है ना like that I was standing in line. I went to the office. Amit met me. I was like, bro. He's like, tell me, bro. I was like, patriotism comes from the inside. It doesn't matter whether you have a circumcised dick or not. If you love your country, you love your country. He's like, point, bro. Amit and I bonded. Like Fafda and Jalebi. So I was like, so we're good? I don't have to go now? He's like, nahi, jana to padega. I was like, fuck yeah. Then I went to the Pakistan Importation of Muslims office. I said, sir, kuch chance hai kya? He looks at me up and down, feels my butt. He said, आपकी गांड तो बड़ी निर्मल है. आपको पेशावर भेजेंगे. I ran back to Amit's office, dude. I was like, bro, now what to do? He's like, अब तो बांग्लादेश जाना पड़ता. Fucking Bangladesh, who wants to go? I want to smoke a bong, not become one, dude. What the fuck? Bangladesh is the worst country to go to. Yeah? It's the absolute worst. Because all of their cities sound like body parts. You can go to a doctor and say, sir, मेरे भगोड़ा सूज गया है. इसलिए चितागोंग चल नहीं रहा है. डॉक्टर सामने से बोलेगा तेरे को, हाँ बहुत धाका मचाया ना साले. दुबई में I have realized you get to meet a lot of new people. और पहले मेरा बहुत गांड फटता था. Because my flatmate was Pakistani. Now अभी मेरे को डर लग रहा है कि यार ये जो जुनेद मेरा फ्लैटमेट है वो बॉम्ब फोड़ेगा, बास मारेगा, जियाद करेगा, मालूम नहीं क्या करेगा ना. But then I moved in with him. I was very satisfied. Very nice guy, chill guy. And they are just like us. वो तो मीडिया ने बना दिया है. There is one thing, ladies and gentlemen, that Pakistanis do that is way better than Indians. And that is speaking Urdu. Now make some noise if you believe that Urdu is one of the most beautiful languages in the world. Fantastic. Absolutely stunning language. मैं बम्बई से. वो मेरा जो जबान है ना वो कुत्ते का गांड जबान है. It's like disgusting. My language is third class. The other day my flatmate Junaid, he comes up to me. He's like, Miqdad. मेरे नाम भी वही साहब. Miqdad. आप अपने उमूर खानादारी का सही से फराइज अंजाम दे. ओ फक क्या बोला अकबर जोधा. इरशाद ब्रो, इरशाद. मजा आ गया, पैसा वसूल. Turns out in regular Hindi it means बर्तन तेरा बाप धोएगा. I had no fucking idea that Hindi and Urdu were different languages. मेरे को कोई आइडिया ही नहीं था. मेरे स्कूल में मेरे हिंदी टीचर ने मेरे को पूछा, बेटा मिकदाद, you know the difference between Hindi and Urdu? I said, I don't know, sir. हिंदी में बोलते तेरी माँ की चूत, उर्दू में बोलते आपकी माँ की चूत. I don't know. Any vegetarians in the audience tonight? Vegetarians? So what kind of vegetarians are you? No. Good. You never know, they're all different types. There's bi, gay, trans. I don't know what kind of vegetarian. But I love vegetarians. I love Jains especially because Jains get offended at the wrong thing. Huh? Like you can give them any gali you want, but they always get offended at the wrong thing. So the other day, my friend Rohan Shah, who's a Jain, was sitting with me. I said Lauda Lasun. He got mad at the Lasun. Like, तो कुछ तेरा प्रायोरिटी गलत नहीं है. अभी वेज जोक मारा ना, मजा आया ना. अभी एक नॉन वेज बोलो क्या. Let's talk about butt sex. Are you a fan, sir? Not a fan? Are you a giver or a taker? Maybe hard dick. Hard. I'm damn obsessed with anal sex, dude. Because I did not know. I found out only after watching Western films. Think about it, ladies and gentlemen. We are a country of 1 billion engineers. And not one of us figured out that you could put the input in the output. Guys, tell me, if we knew about this offer, would we have the largest population in the world? Fuck no. I'm not here to do comedy. I'm here to preach the gospel to all my fellow desis tonight. Population ka agar kam karna ho kaand. Ladies and gentlemen, put it in the But since I am such a student of anal sex, I have realized that it's very difficult to ask a woman for anal sex. Huh? You can't just walk up to a woman and say, "Party galu ka?" ऐसा मेरे को थप्पड़ पड़ा ना, कस के दिया मेरे को. Party galu ka. You have to wait for the right opportunity. Yeah? She has to be in the mood, or you have to buy her a lot of jewelry. There are only two options. Talking about other ass fuckery, let's talk about Love Jihad. What is the scene with Love Jihad, dude? I don't understand. This Love Jihad was a big problem for me because my last 3 girlfriends were Maharashtrian. Exes. Not at the same time, वैसे तो 4 allowed है, but they were all... And my friends used to get damn like annoyed with me. Yaar, why are you dating Maharashtrians? That also 3. Are you the type of person who goes to a restaurant and says appetizer, main course, dessert, tino, poha चाहिए? Like, क्या है? तेरे को problem क्या है? And I did not know that those girls' parents hated my guts. Huh? Fucking hated my guts. I found out when I went to pick up one of my exes from her home. I was standing outside the door. And she's having an argument with her father. Very, very serious argument. Father is saying, "Beti, तुम इस मुसड्डे लौंडे से हरगिज शादी नहीं करोगी." And this bitch is full Veer Zara mode. So she's like, "Kyun?" And then Patil Saab decided to give her 3 reasons. बेटी, पहली बात, ये लोग बीफ बर्गर खाते हैं. बेटी, दूसरी बात, ये लोग है ना जिहाद करते हैं. और बेटी, तीसरी बात, ये आदमी तुझे बुरखे के जाल में लपेट देगा. बुरखा का जाल ब्रो. I couldn't take it anymore. मैंने दरवाजे को लात मारा. मैं घुसा. Like, पाटिल सर, पहली बात तो पेंचो इधर बीफ मिलता नहीं है. 10 साल से मग पनीर खा रहा हूं मैं. दूसरी बात, जिहाद करता आपको क्या लगता है मेरा कोई व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप है क्या जिहाद बॉयज नाम का? Those are rap artists bro. और मैं साउथ बॉम्बे से, हम लोग जिहाद ने हम लोग खाली ज्वाइन करता है ब्रो हम लोग. और आपकी तीसरी बात, बुरखे के जाल में लपेटूंगा. बुरखा का जाल? प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, द रीजन आई एम डेटिंग योर डॉटर इज नॉट टू मेक हर वेयर more clothes. Our objective is quite the contrary, dude. पाटिल साहब को मजा आया. पाटिल साहब खड़े हुए और ताली मारने लग गए. पाटिल आंटी भी ताली मारने लगे. और ये वीडियो के लिए अब तुम सब लोग ने भी ताली मारना शुरू कर दिया. That's it. We got married and lived happily ever after. But life is not a fairy tale. What actually happened was, parties like, "I jhodiya, baar nikal gaandu." I had to fucking leave, dude. Standing outside. Last time I'll ever see my ex in my life. She's crying, I'm crying. I'll miss you forever. I'm like, yeah, I'll Muslim you too. Then right before I leave, I turn and I tell her something. I'm like, babe, there's one thing. Can you do for me? She said, baby, for you, anything. So I bent forward, whispered into the ear the 3 magical words every woman wants to hear. Party ghalu ka. You guys been a fantastic audience.
कंधे पे बोझ जो बंदा ये फंदा बंदे का सोच हो अंधा शर्मिंदा कंधे को पोछ लो ये दंदा है गंदा कंधे पे बोझ जो बंदा ये फंदा कंधे पे बोझ जो बंदा ये फंदा बंदे का सोच हो अंधा शर्मिंदा कंधे को पोछ लो ये दंदा है गंदा Welcome to the jungle यहाँ पे ये सब शेर है